not see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
That the hill they look long, that's why I say yee-hoo-wee.
Snow tubing! Holy Ziggy, my heart, I cannot. Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
The man's flying down the hill like a flying plane buddy. Could they just a slide without nobody a push it? Or you don't walk go up the hill? Or something must you go up that day hill?
Pee 100% right. Let's go dirty late.
Nisha saying I have to pee. I had to pee, I'm so nervous.
Look, she's like in jeans or something.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm wearing my jacket.
Of course. You weren't gonna wear a jacket? What? So guys, we reached, but we're late, so we'll catch you guys on the flip side. I actually thought it was gonna be colder, but it's not even that cold. It's pretty nice up here. But we're actually so late. I'm just hoping that we can still do our full time. I did bring my camera, but because we're going down the hill, I'm like, nah. Are you excited?
Huh? Yes, sir.
Holy. The hill them looks steep.
It's covering it. Yo, look at that one. Yo, that's steep, eh?
I know.
Oh, they're doing things, Nisha.
Huh? Yeah, the skiing.
Yeah.
Oh, there's someone coming down right now.
I want to ski too.
You sound like Nyla, yo. So we have to go and grab our tubes. Okay, dancer. I want this one.
Your color?
Yeah. This one. Yo, these hills look so scary. Now that we're even closer. Oh, my hands are freezing. Holy smokes. Now that we're closer, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm actually scared. I'm just a little bit scared. Look how fast it goes.
I know.
Holy shit. Holy, and it looks steep, eh?
It is steep.
Anyways, we're waiting on a line to go up the hill, so everyone's here waiting. My hands are cold and the music is playing, so I don't want to get copyrighted, so we'll catch it with you guys. Ziggy gone, guys. I'm actually so scared. How was it? Tell them how it went. Yo, okay. So we were not expecting that. The girl literally, she didn't even count that, she just pushed you down. So guys, we just went down. Let me tell you how we got to the top of the hill and we were so scared. Everyone was looking at us like, first of all, when that thing pulls you up and it just swings you back, you're like, what the hell? How was it going down?
Bro, yo, when I go down, I swear, I'm like top.
Yo, when I saw her push you, I couldn't even see your head no more. I'm like, oh, okay.
No, you know what I know? You see, if you get to push, I was like, oh, this is fine.
Yeah.
But
when you drop
when
down,
I look down, I'm like, holy fuck.
I closed my eyes, eh?
Same thing with the
I closed my eyes.
I'm like, no. Watch out.
And at one point, I thought I was gonna hit up into the wall, and my legs are well up, you know.
Come out of my face. Good night again. So, you know, probably I say, what kind of settings this? But I pay things. Because you know that's the Buddha. We got a road and come back. Honestly, come back and I'm tired. Right? And then we have to go pick up Nyla again because the plan for us was go over there, go come back and just go straight, go eat. But then I say, you know, we're gonna just bring Nyla. End up Nisha drop asleep, which is me could have do it for true, but I don't know. Like we deal with the whole Canada settings and then you have to go QR code and all of them things. I'm like, I don't know. But anyway, so you end up that's everywhere we should we check them so them book out or them book up everything book out like. So we decide say instead of we just boring out the night, so we just vibes up the night and done. So sure.
We brought the keg to us, okay?
So we like kitchen, you know. David so ooh, love is in the hair, you know. Find all that Irish. You see, buy Irish and they show you love already. Easier, you know. They shall season up him steak them. Dang it, go girl. Shrimp over there already.
Cook faster.
You hear that? So I'm cut up on that. Nisha teaching you.
No, I'm not teaching. I hate how that garlic smells.
See maybe they eat it out. Put some in it. Like, they cook like Jamaican. Like.
That's what Jamaicans cook yourself. Hold this. I want you to check up your aunties. You want it medium well or?
I have to make cook well. Oh, no pinking or nothing. What?
You want to zoom up in my face?
Huh?
So, the shrimp. What are you doing to?
So, as I say, just there I go and mix up something.
Butter? Please? Show them your Valentine shirt. Show them your shirt.
Eh. I wonder if you remember some case that on the iPad. I like it. How was daycare? How was daycare? You had fun? Check in back with a little bit. I got to see if we can chef out tonight. You see me? Yo. Somebody had asked Nisha why you like cooking like kitchen like. Are you a kitchen person?
If I wasn't a kitchen person, would I be in the kitchen?
Huh?
If I wasn't a kitchen person, would I be in the kitchen?
Yeah, you have people that just cook because they have to cook. But you have people
like
don't like kitchen but they, you know. Oh! Catch you back.
Come on. I don't mind cooking, to be honest.
Yeah. Cool. So we have a little mash up something over here. So garlic shrimp over here. So and then in total, if you were supposed to head out and make all of this, when I was
trying to order online, it came up to...
What do you mean trying to order online?
When I was trying to order like a takeout online,
oh, okay.
it came up to... What did it come up to? $135.
$135, okay.
I spent $70-something.
You wanna see that? And then, but then you probably can't even say more because then you'd have dropped the tip, right?
Yeah,
so
and that's not including wine we were gonna buy.
Oh, drink all of them something that you say. You see that? Nah, so we're not go enjoy yourself, you know, because we were about to go out, but at the same time, this kind of work out better, you know. So I don't know. Mama, that's how I'm gonna deal with, you know. So, okay, but blue light, bottle of champagne. Easy, you don't know anything set. Pour on bossy. Nice bottle of champagne, eh? So I'll go on. So my whole beard should all find a movie if you watch same speed too. But I just go all a beard, you know, and then go back up, start prepare up some of my stuff them on, so she can go all a beard and Nyla can go all a beard. So you don't know, I said family. That's it. Chat back to Uno. Now a little bit easy pre. So my family, yo. So happy Valentine's Day again to everybody. I know it's enough I couldn't have them out yesterday and not celebrate Valentine's, but it's all about what a man want and like, you see. So I just say big up on yourself again. You see me? Once you check in on the video, as I may have asked if you just drop a like. Because since you watch all the way out to Yasso, I see the end result of the day. Even though it probably not as fancy as whatever, but for me inside deep down it mean a lot to we. Because we are more humble, simple. You know? So I just want to say like, comment, share, subscribe. You know? Because it helps you out a lot when I like drop on the video. So let me show you how I go on. So right now we are going to watch the new James Bond movie, and this is how I go on. So we have a glass of champagne, so it's nice. It's on simmer, you know, and this is it. So there are no things in.
Someone's gonna comment and say, "Don't eat in the room."
Don't know things in. Don't?
Come here.
And I'm probably gonna say, make I tell which plate of is Ziggy. Yeah? Now I love a little thing over there, so I don't want no bread. Say?
Everything I put in the plate, she's gonna wash it out.
But yeah, over this sweet night.
Me too, Daddy, me too.
And that's Nyla over there. Hi, Nyla.
And this one too.
And that's Nyla's plate over here. She got a burger, a cheeseburger. But she said she don't want the bread. And she picked out everything else, said she just wants meat.
Hey, Daddy, wait.
Wait. Okay, what's that?
What is...
What is that?
Oh, what is this too?
What is it?
Cheese.
That's cheese?
And...
Okay, eat it. Get out of my plate. Get out of my. Come here. So before I go again, I just want to say thank you, Nisha. Huh?
And I know someone's gonna comment and say, why are you guys eating in the bed, blah blah blah.
But anyway, I just want to say, big up yourself. Happy precious day, you know, and food tastes good, and I love you, and
I love you too.
more of this. But I'll take you in one movie.
And I see how we alone.
And you can't sit down your son watch it.
Them not care for you, but we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone.